Hey everyone guys, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your referral code in GOTYME for 2024, okay? So referral codes are actually, if you know, it's a great way to invite your friends and join them. You can join and you both earn rewards, both you and them, okay? So let's get started with the steps. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you would just want to log in, okay? Start by opening the GOTYME app and logging in if you haven't already. And once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the home screen where you can see your account balance, recent transactions, and other options, guys, okay? Then what you want to do, guys, is look for the menu icon at the bottom right or top left corner, depending on your app version. Just tap on it and just open up the app's main menu. Then scroll down until you see an option like refer a friend or, invite and earn, okay? This is where you'll find your referral code. Then basically, guys, what you want to do is just find and copy. You should now see your unique referral code, and it may also have a button that is labeled, copy or share code. Okay, once copied, you can paste and share your referral code with friends via, social media apps, messaging apps, or even email. Then basically, every time a friend signs up with your code, both of you may receive rewards. Just check the terms and conditions in the referral section to actually see the details on the reward amounts and the requirements, guys. And that's how you know to find and share your referral code in GoTime for 2024. If you found this video helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Happy sharing.